We want to just review this foldable washing machine, and basically we're going to show you the basic component that this machine comes with. So the carton came in a little bit torn because of the shipment handling not properly handled, so it came in a bit torn, but we're just going to unfold and show you the different components of this foldable washing machine, and then practically we're going to show you if it really works or not. So if you're like me who doesn't like to wash that much, sometimes if I wash I get my hands peel and all that. It's really crazy. Sometimes I don't like to wash. So if you like me and you would love to, get something portable to go out for with when you're going for camping and all that, and this is a go-to thing for you. So this is how the foldable washing machine came. I'm just going to explain basically the different component that comes with it. So first of all, here we have the rack. This is the drainage rack. So if you're washing your clothes and then you want to, um, rinse your clothes or drain it from the water, this is what you're going to put into the impeller. This is how the impeller looks like. The impeller propels the rack so that you can squeeze your clothes and then the liquid from the cloth will just dry up and all that. So this is the impeller. This is the handle here. This is where you put your hands to hold the foldable washing machine. This is the cover. This is the cover for the foldable washing machine, and this is the drainage pipe. I'm going to show you how this drainage pipe works. So how do you unfold this machine, because it comes like this folded. When you want to use it, you have to unfold it, and when you're done you fold it back. So to unfold the machine, you just have to place your hand like this, apply some pressure and bring it up. So the machine is up, and this is how it works. So while you are trying to wash, the first thing you need to do is you have to bring this pipe out, and then you hang it somewhere here, because if you do not do so while you're washing, the water is going to be draining out. This came with the pipe embedded deep down there, so you can't just unplug it like most of the machine do, where you can have the outlet of the pipe down by the side or something. So this is the DC inlet socket. You're going to plug this in, and when you plug this in, basically there are just three functions. This could look like some keys here, but they are not. Just this one function. If you press it for 2 seconds, it's going to on, and if you want to rinse, you put it on this, it goes for 1 minute. If you want to do a gentle wash, you go with this is 10 minutes. If you want to go with a fast wash, then you go 5 minutes with this. So basically that's how the foldable machine looks like. That nothing much more to see about the component part. This is the instruction manual that came. It's written in Chinese, so you wouldn't really understand, but I do. And so the next thing is to show you if this machine actually works. So let us see how it's going to work. So the first thing you do is put in clean water in here. Okay, put in some amount of detergent you know you can wash very well, and basically you don't have to wash so many clothes in it, because I mean, come on, you have to use your discretion to see how this thing works. So after washing, if you decide to rinse your clothes, you can use the drainage pipe or basket to do that. So let us see how this machine actually works. We're going to put in water, and then we're going to do that process. Basically, we want to show you how this machine actually works. So what you need to do is that you're going to fill water, reasonable quantity of water in here, and then you're going to go in with your detergent. You know the quantity that should be able to wash your clothes. Don't put too much and don't put too little. So I'm just gonna put like maybe 2 scoops of this, and then I'm going to switch on the machine. So I'm going to plug the DC current into it somewhere around here, and then the machine is just going to light up. So it's going to light up, and you're going to hold this button for 2 seconds. It's on, so you can see it is propelling. Let's show you the inside of it. So this is what is happening here. This is what is happening here. Just gonna toast our clothes inside and then see how the whole washing process goes. So this is enough to form ladder, okay? But if you feel it's not enough, it's enough because it's slimy. So we're just gonna put in this dirty cloth inside here and then see how the whole thing is going to wash. After that, we'll just cover the machine. So we'll just do like four clothes inside. But while doing that, make sure that the outlet valve is hung here so that it will not dirty or spill water all over the place. So you can see the washing process that is really going on here. Like imagine the dirt inside this water is actually working. So we can see that this foldable washing machine is something you can really relish. If you want to travel with it, you can travel with it. You fold it, put it inside your traveling bag, and then off you go. It's doing wonders. I mean, this is a quick wash setting that I told you. It's 5 minutes, so it's off after 5 minutes. Now let's see how the whole washing went. Let's see if it was clean enough or you need to wash again. But there's a slow washing, which is this 10 minutes. So this just wash for 5 minutes. Okay. Well, let's see what the whole thing. So in a short while, we're just going to remove the clothes and show you how well this was washed. I'm going to start with the black cloth, the black trouser shirt, or rather. So let's start with the black shirt and see how well this machine did a great job. So this is something you could really, get for yourself. Let's take off the black. Now, if you want to rinse this, all you need to do is to the fix this basket in here, and this basket will do the job of rinsing the clothes for you. But I just want to manually rinse this and see how far this machine has washed this clothes. They did a good job because if you can see before now, maybe I didn't show you the white part of this shirt was really dirty, but the machine has done a great job. So if you can see the white part is dirt free. It's like clean. So I'm really gonna enjoy this washing machine because I'm not someone who likes washing at all. So you can see that though this part which was all lined with dirt, they are all off. You can see how clean it is. So all I need to do is just go rinse my clothes and that's all. I could just rinse it here, but I don't want to do that. I mean, the essence is for you to wash my clothes for me. Rinsing is not a hard job for me. So you can see I put in four clothes and four clothes have been washed. So we'll call it a day from here. And just to summarize, this machine works. If you need it, you can always have it. See you in another content. Ciao.